Yeah. Okay, so what we have set up here is a cloud chamber. It was one of the very first detectors that they had for subatomic particles. What you have at the top, you have a saturated piece of felt. So it's saturated with alcohol. And then at the bottom, underneath this metal sheet, we have dry ice. And that dry ice is very cold, and we have a metal sheet because it's really conductive. And so we get a really nice temperature gradient from the top to the bottom. And as those particles move down, they're on the verge of turning into a liquid. Any disturbance whatsoever will cause that particle to condense, and so you'll see these little streaks. Those are actually subatomic particles traveling through and disturbing the vapor and causing it to turn into a liquid. And so we end up with these little trails, which are actually subatomic particles and charged particles that are leaving behind that trail. Every once in a while you'll see a drop come from the alcohol, and it will cause a little bit of a cloud. Looks a lot different than what these subatomic particles look like. A whole bunch of streaks, but pretty amazing. Anyone thoughts? Anyone want to be famous?
Already am famous.
Oh.
In what world?